Yeah. It's got plenty of power. Flaps up. Bust out. Getting out of there. Just a really fast airplane coming down the line, full throttle. Cooking. Complete unlimited vertical.
She's just climbing.
Yep. And this is a STOL plane, but it's like, it does it all, guys. It does it all. All right. Alarm's going off. Time to set up for the landing. You ready?
Go for it.
Here we go. Super forgiving. Look at this. And there it is, just like that. Gonna bring this bad boy in. Again, guys, this is the Tundra V-Tube. Awesome flying airplane. Love it. Durafly Tundra, brought to you by Hobby King. Go get you one. Really inexpensive, awesome flying airplane, well equipped, and throw a gyro in there and make this thing crazy, easy, fun to fly. There you have it. She's gone.